PLC electronics is tooled for both low volume and high volume. Low volume, we have hand tools. Middle volume, we use semi-automatic equipment. And for your high volume, we have fully automatic equipment. When we have people in on tours, they like to go right to the big, fully automatic equipment. So that's what we're going to show you today. This first one is taking the wire right off the spool, stripping each end and cutting it to length. It's also cutting a length less than 1 inch, which is precise for this type of equipment. This piece of equipment can crimp on both sides, but we have it set up to crimp on one side and fully automatically tin the other side. We have a flux and solder fountain, so we automate our tinning process. This machine is very similar to the other ones. It can cut and crimp wires on both sides, but it does larger gauge wires. In this particular job, we're crimping 18 gauge wire with an open barrel terminal on one side and a closed barrel right angle on the other. This piece of equipment is slightly different than the others in that it doesn't swing the wire back and forth, it processes the wire straight through. In this particular job, we're doing 70,000 wires. Now we're moving over into our cable processing. This piece of equipment can do larger cable or larger gauge wire. It will just cut and strip, no crimp. This piece of wire processing equipment has a rotary and a V-blade. Rotary blade provides more precision and can do multiple strips like Komax. This machine is processing phone cable. They can also do inline hot stamping that we can put customers' part numbers or the lot code on. Customers appreciate our automated equipment not only for the speed, but also for the precision.